let me show you. I have two phones. One phone, this iPhone, will act as a consumer who would like to purchase this muffin, and my Blackberry will be a merchant phone. And listen one more time. When I'm talking about QR code or barcode, whatever you would like, or even a card, it's just a form to perform a payment. Let's say I want to buy this muffin, okay? This is a merchant terminal to accept payment. So this tool accepting payment. So I can just easily activate and let's say I want to sell this muffin for 5 euros, okay? And I use this phone to pay 5 euros for this muffin. And how it works, so I have the second interface. I just activated my QR code, barcode, or even virtual or physical card. It doesn't matter, it's just a wrapping up stuff. So the merchant wants to take a payment of 5 euros for this exact muffin, and the merchant just activating his camera to scan my barcode or to scan my card, whatever you want, and they use their own camera. As soon as I, as a consumer, I am willing to pay the appeared on their screen amount, I just present my QR code and merchant scans my QR code, and that's it. The merchant accepted 5 euros for the muffin, and as a consumer, as a payee, I've paid 5 euros to buy this muffin. Am I clear?